choice.
Do you really know what you are putting into your body when you open a package of food from the grocery store? Most Americans rely on the bold claims on the front of the box, but the real story is hidden in the fine print on the back. Today, we are going on a deep dive into food labels to teach you how to spot hidden dangers in seconds. You will learn how to outsmart clever marketing tactics and make the best choices for your long-term health. In this comprehensive guide, we will cover everything from the order of ingredients to the many secret names for sugar and the truth about unhealthy fats. The first and most important rule of reading a label is to look at the ingredients list. In the United States, ingredients are listed by weight in descending order. This means the very first ingredient is what the product contains the most. If you see sugar, enriched flour, or seed oils at the top of the list, that is a major red flag. This indicates the product is highly processed and likely lacks real nutritional value. You should always look for products where the first few ingredients are whole foods, like whole grains, lean proteins, or real vegetables. Food manufacturers in the US use many tricks to make their products look healthier than they are. One common method is ingredient splitting. Instead of listing sugar as the main ingredient, they use smaller amounts of multiple sweeteners like high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, anhydrous dextrose, and fruit juice concentrate. Since these are listed separately, they appear further down the list, but together they might be the largest component of the food. Always be on the lookout for any word ending in "ose" because those are almost always forms of added sugar. Fats are another critical area where labels can be deceptive. You might see the term hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils in the list. These are trans fats, which are known to be harmful to heart health. Even if the Nutrition Facts Panel claims 0 grams of trans fat, federal law allows companies to round down if the amount is less than half a gram per serving. If you eat multiple servings, those small amounts add up quickly and can damage your arteries. Always prioritize heart-healthy fats like olive oil or avocado oil over chemically altered vegetable oils. Before we move on to the numbers, I want to take a quick moment to ask for your support. If you are finding this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us create more deep dive content like this to help everyone live a healthier life. Also, feel free to leave a comment below about which food label surprised you the most lately. We love hearing from our community and hearing your personal health journey. Now let's look at the Nutrition Facts Panel, which is the standardized box found on all packaged foods in the United States. The first thing you must check is the serving size. Manufacturers often set a serving size that is much smaller than what a typical person actually eats. For example, a small bag of chips might contain 2 or 3 servings. If you eat the whole bag, you have to double or triple all the calories, fats, and sugars listed on the label. Never assume the entire container is a single serving. Next, look at the calories and the percent daily value. A good rule of thumb for Americans is the 5-20 rule. If a nutrient has a daily value of 5% or less, it is considered low. If it has 20% or more, it is considered high. You want to stay low on things like sodium, saturated fat, and added sugars, while aiming for high percentages in fiber, vitamin D, calcium, and potassium. This simple rule can help you compare 2 different brands in just a few seconds. The newest version of the US food label now includes a specific line for added sugars. This is a game changer for consumers. Total sugars include natural sugars found in fruit or milk, but added sugars are those put in during processing. High intake of added sugar is a leading cause of obesity and type 2 diabetes in America. Aim for products with little to no added sugar. At the same time, look for high fiber content. Fiber is essential for gut health and helps stabilize your blood sugar levels after a meal. Sodium is another major concern in the American diet. Most of the salt we eat comes from processed and restaurant foods, not the salt shaker on our table. High sodium intake is directly linked to high blood pressure and heart disease. When reading the label, look for products that contain less than 140 milligrams of sodium per serving. If a single snack provides more than 20% of your daily sodium limit, it is best to put it back on the shelf and find a better alternative. As we move further down the label, we encounter food additives and preservatives. Many of these are listed as chemical names that are hard to pronounce. While the FDA classifies many of these as generally recognized as safe, some studies suggest that certain artificial colors and preservatives can affect behavior in children or disrupt the microbiome. Common examples include red 40, yellow 5, and sodium benzoate. As a general rule for clean eating, if the list looks more like a chemistry experiment than a recipe, it is probably not the best choice for your body. Marketing claims on the front of the packaging are designed to sell, not to inform. Phrases like natural, gluten-free, or non-GMO do not automatically mean a food is healthy. A candy bar can be gluten-free and non-GMO, but still be loaded with sugar and empty calories. Similarly, the term natural has very little regulation in the US and can be used on products that are still highly processed. Always flip the package over and verify the claims by looking at the actual ingredients and the nutrition table. The term organic also requires a closer look. While organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, an organic cookie is still a cookie. Many people fall into the health halo trap, where they eat more of a food simply because it is labeled organic or low fat. When fat is removed from a product, manufacturers often add extra sugar and salt to maintain the flavor. This often results in a product that is actually worse for your metabolism than the original full-fat version. In conclusion, becoming a label detective is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. It might feel overwhelming at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. By choosing whole, minimally processed foods, you are taking control of your energy levels, your weight, and your future. Remember that every dollar you spend at the grocery store is a vote for the kind of food system you want to support. Choose wisely and prioritize your well-being over convenience. Thank you so much for staying with us this masterclass on food labels. We hope you now feel empowered to navigate the aisles of the grocery store with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth health guides. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we will see you in the next video.
Support us by liking and subscribing.